Okay. So, Jinxie's gonna be a little bit upset with me right now. But you know what? It's okay. So, we had severe thunderstorms last night. Actually, early this morning. And, well, my friend had a close call with her trees. So, let's see how our house did. Oh, by the way, the digital billboard is finally up and running. Oh, they got a QT advertisement. That's cool. I wonder how many advertisements a digital billboard can actually have. You know? Let me see. So we got QT talking about their hot chicken pizza. A law insurance person for car accidents. A 1923 from Paramount Plus advertisement of a new season. And that's it. So just a QT, a law firm, and Paramount Plus. And then with Paramount Plus, it's 2 different law firms. Okay. And then with Paramount Plus, it's just new shows that they are playing. Because Happy Face is one. And then they had Yellow Jackets when I first came over here. Oh snap, they have a line down. And that line's all the way over there. And way all the way down here. Ooh, that's scary. But yeah, oh man, I miss like Yellow Jackets. And then the next one, the other side, last time I looked at it last night, they had Texas Mavericks, Dallas Mavericks thing, advertisement, and Texas Tech advertisement. These trees, those tree limbs, wasn't from last night. Any tree branches fell? Couple tree branches. There's a tree branch, couple tree branches. Now that tree branch over there, I don't know if it was like before last night or not. I don't think so. There's a pipe truck. No, not too much damage of the house. I mean, we don't have any tree limbs. Interesting, very interesting.